Every time we publish a blog, 3 platform-ready posts write themselves, then land in my Google Sheet and Google Doc for approval. This workflow reads our new blog, extracts the key ideas with Gemini, then uses an OpenAI model to write a tweet, a LinkedIn post, and an Instagram caption in our exact voice. It starts as soon as a blog goes live. It watches our site feed and pulls the full article content and metadata. Subsequently, Gemini summarizes the article, pulls key points, audience, and a suggested call to action. Then the OpenAI model, currently GPT-5, writes platform-specific copy using our brand voice rules. We also add image ideas, suggested hashtags, and alt text. Everything is appended to a Google Sheet and assembled in a Google Doc for quick editing. Finally, a Google task is created and I get an email with links to the sheet and doc for approval. Once I approve and set a date, our second workflow auto-posts on schedule. From published to posts in minutes. That's how we repurpose without the busy work.